Hello everybody, welcome to SolidWorks 2017. In this video we are going to learn rectangle and center line. Let's start. First take my plan. I will take my plan, sketch, and we have there are five kind of rectangle: center, corner, 3 point, 3 point, and parallelogram. Okay, so first I will take corner rectangle. How to start? Wherever you click, it will start from the here, and you have to just drag the mouse. So it start from the corner. Just click here and drag your mouse and start from the corner. So this is called corner rectangle. Okay, and you can see here, start from the corner. You can give also the dimension here. Okay, and the second is that corner rectangle, center rectangle. It start from the center. First you click and drag your mouse. You may see there it start from the center. So this is the main difference between corner and center rectangle. First one is start from the corner, and second one is start from the center. You see here it start from the center, and then you can give how much you want. Okay, and the third one is that 3 point corner rectangle. You have to click 3 times, once a time, twice, and twice. Now you just drag your mouse and it will create the length, and it will create in the angle. You may see here that this is the angle. If I click here, straight line, there's my angle. You may see here this is the angle and 30°. I will go to the 30°. So this is the angle. Okay, and the fourth one is 3 point rectangle. Both are same, just a little bit different. It start from the center. This is also the 3 point rectangle, but it start from the center, and you just have to drag it, so it automatically create both side. The second one is that create both side, and this is first one, it will not create the both side. Okay, and the third one is the last one, parallelogram. It will create like that. You may see here that change the direction. You can change the direction, you can change the angle, but in before first one and second one, you cannot change the angle. So in this one you can change the angle. So these are the rectangle, and we mostly use the rectangle in our drawing, so you may use from here. And the center line, is that suppose you create a corner rectangle, and you need to sketch a line from the center. So first take a line and center line, create a line. Thank you so much everybody to watch my video, and please subscribe my channel and like the video and share the video. Thank you so much.